Have you ever wondered how to make $50,000 a month easily? Today we're diving into the world of InVideo AI. This incredible tool is your gateway to generating substantial income by creating both short and long videos across various platforms. We're talking about effortless content creation thanks to the wonders of artificial intelligence. But it's not just about making videos, it's about making videos swiftly, effectively, and in a way that resonates with your audience. And the best part, we're going to break down this process into easily digestible steps, so you're not left in the dark. From signing up for free to understanding how to write a prompt and see the AI work its magic, we've got you covered. Ready to unlock the secret to easy income? Let's dive in. The journey to $50K a month begins with a simple sign-up. Imagine this, you're on the precipice of discovering a tool that will revolutionize your content creation process. A tool that seamlessly integrates AI technology to help you create dynamic shorts and long videos. This is no figment of your imagination, it's the reality of InVideo AI. Let's walk through the process of getting started with this game-changing tool. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up. Yes, you heard it right, it's as simple as that. You'll find that it's free to use, and that's an incredible feature, especially for those who are just dipping their toes into the world of content creation. However, if you're looking to take your productions to the next level, there's an option to upgrade. Upgrading your account does more than just give you access to advanced features. It also removes those pesky watermarks from your videos. Now that's a surefire way to make your content look more professional and polished. In terms of price options, they are designed to be flexible to cater to various needs. Whether you are a budding content creator or a seasoned pro, there's a pricing tier that's just right for you. With InVideo AI, you're not only investing in a tool, but you're investing in the potential of your content. Remember, signing up is the first step towards your success. It's the gateway to a future where content creation is not only efficient, but also exciting and rewarding. With InVideo AI, the path to earning $50K a month is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality. Signing up is the first step towards your success. Now that you're signed up, it's time to put InVideo AI to work. With InVideo AI, you're not just creating content, you're crafting masterpieces. And the best part, it's as easy as writing a prompt. Yes, you heard that right. Just a simple, straightforward prompt is all it takes to set the AI into motion. Just think about the kind of content you want to create. Are you looking to make a snappy short video or perhaps a longer, more comprehensive piece? Once you've got that figured out, all you need to do is write a brief description of your idea. It could be as simple as a video about the latest fashion trends, or as detailed as a step-by-step tutorial on baking a chocolate cake. Once you've penned your prompt, it's time to unleash the power of AI. The moment you hit enter, InVideo AI starts weaving its magic. It scurries through its extensive database, picking and choosing elements that align with your prompt. It's like having a professional video editor at your disposal, working at lightning speed. In no time at all, you'll have a draft video ready for review. But don't worry, it's not set in stone. You can always tweak and fine-tune it to your liking. Swap out images, change the soundtrack, add text overlays. You're in full control. The best part about InVideo AI is its versatility. Whether you're looking to create content for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform, InVideo AI has got you covered. It tailors the video format to suit the platform of your choice, ensuring your content always looks its best. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've transformed a simple prompt into a stunning video. Just like that, you've created your first piece of content with InVideo AI. Now imagine doing this over and over again, and you'll start to see the potential of earning a whopping $50,000 a month. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. First things first, let's get your masterpiece uploaded and ready to wow your audience. Stay tuned. Your content is ready now, let's get it out there. So, you've crafted your masterpiece using InVideo AI, and it's time to share it with the world. Remember, with InVideo AI, the process is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, ensure your project is saved. InVideo AI auto-saves your work, but it's always good to double-check. Now click on the Export button. This is where InVideo AI's magic really comes into play. It renders your video in no time, faster than you can say Monarch Smart TV. Once your video is rendered, it's time for step 2, previewing your masterpiece. It's always good to give your work a final once-over. Just to make sure everything is picture perfect. If you spot something that needs tweaking, don't sweat it. Jump back in, make your edits, and export again. Easy peasy. And now for the final step, uploading your project. Click on the upload button and select your destination. Whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform, InVideo AI has got you covered. A couple of clicks, and before you know it, your video is out there, ready to make waves. And voila, your video is ready to rake in the views and the dollars. Creating and uploading your video is just the beginning. The real magic happens when we connect, when we engage with each other. That's when the sparks fly. That's when the community grows. And as Monarch always says, a thriving community is a prosperous community. So let's get those gears turning. Let's get those keyboards clicking. Subscribe to Monarch Smart TV if you haven't already. Click on that little bell icon so you never miss an update. Like the videos, share them with your friends, your family, your neighbor's dog. Spread the word. And the conversation doesn't stop there, folks. Drop a comment, share your thoughts, your experiences using InVideo AI. Did it make your life easier? How much time did it save? How much money did you make? We want to hear it all. And when you do comment, don't forget to mention Monarch. Let's make this a two-way conversation. Monarch is here for you, ready to answer your questions, ready to cheer on your successes. So let's do this. Let's build this community. Let's build this network. And remember, the more you engage, the more you grow, the closer you get to that golden 50K a month. Remember, the more you engage, the more you earn. Let's make that 50K a month together. So you've seen how easy it is to start making money with InVideo AI? Imagine just a few clicks away. You've got the power to create stunning videos, all thanks to the advanced technology of InVideo AI. And the best part, it's not just about creating videos, it's about creating a steady income stream. Let's take a quick recap. We've walked through signing up, crafting your first video, uploading your project, and finally, engaging with your audience. We've covered the basics, but remember, each of these steps is a stepping stone towards the ultimate goal, making $50,000 a month. Think about it. No more worrying about watermarks or quality, because InVideo AI has got you covered. Whether you're a free user or you've chosen to upgrade, you've seen the pricing options. Now it's all about making the most out of them. And remember, this isn't a one-time deal. Consistency is key. Keep creating, keep uploading, keep engaging. That's how you get to that $50,000 a month. It's time to take your content creation to the next level. Start your journey to $50,000 a month with InVideo AI today.